Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to optimize your WordPress website. Firstly, use a good hosting service. Your web hosting provider is one of the most critical factors in determining the speed of performance of your WordPress website. 2. Choose a high-quality WordPress theme. Your theme is the foundation of your site's design, but it also plays a role in its speed. Some themes are beautiful but heavy, leading to slower loading times, especially on mobile devices. 3. Optimize your images. Images are often the heaviest part of a website, and large, unoptimized images can dramatically slow down loading times. Optimizing your images ensures that your site runs quickly without sacrificing visual quality. So, optimizing your WordPress website requires a multifaceted approach that includes choosing the right hosting provider, selecting a fast theme, and optimizing your images. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the site's speed and overall user experience. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.